YouTube? It's your boy T, back again today with another supremacy beater box, man. Trying to get these beater boxes out to y'all as soon as I get them. I know the last video was probably less than a week ago, unless I'm slacking. This box should be 575 bucks. 525 for the box, 50 bucks for the shipping. If you're new to the channel, nothing more, nothing less than just a mystery box full of kicks. 575 box, man. I don't know what to expect in this one. Lately I've been getting $1,000 on up boxes, but we will see. I'm not gonna hold y'all up too long. Appreciate all the love and support from that last video, little $1,000 box. And everything that's still available should be on the IG page. Make sure I'm cutting under the shoes. 575 box, man. Let's see what we got. We got a few pair without boxes. We got some big old LeBrons and a size 12. These things look like they're size 14 or something. Check these out. I don't know the nickname to them. LeBron Low, pre-owned, no box. Yeah. Don't know much about these at all. I had to do some research on them. I don't think LeBron sell for too much unless you got like some kind of limited, crazy edition of them. So, next up we got a Kyrie. This is the first model he had. These are size 12. These shoes look huge. I don't know why they look like they some 13, 14s. Could just be the way they laced up. These are size 12 Kyries. Check those out. Look like they still got plenty of grip on the bottom. Somebody had them, took pretty good care of them, even if they was hooping in them. Size 12. Hopefully I can move those quickly. We got a Ronny Fight Kit box, size 12.5. Y'all know I'm not gonna know what these are. Deodora, Ronny Fight collab. I just knew that the material was gonna be premium, and just feeling this. These are very, very, very nice. Deodora RF 7000s. Not dead stock. I don't know what these are, what the value of them are, but I know anything Ronny Fight does sometimes builds up hype. They might not be anything, I don't know. Size 12.5, let me make sure. Okay, US size 13, UK is a 12.5. The materials on these are nuts though. Man, this is some high grade stuff. I love the gun bottom on them. The colorway is kind of fire. And it got, I think I seen 2 extra pair of laces in the box. Show y'all these laces. Oh no, it's way more than 2. This is about 3 pair of extra laces in the box. So you got 4 pair of laces total with what's in the shoe. The box, the lid is a little beat up right there. Other than that, these are pretty solid. Hopefully they have some kind of value to them. We got this Just Do It box. Size 12.5 men, 14 women. Nike, and the tape is covering the name of the shoe. I think these are those space hippie joints that's Nike Trash Transform, where they take recycled material. So all of this stuff is recycled material, and Nike made a shoe out of it. These are actually kind of dope. I think I'll rock these to the gym. Recycled material. They actually feel like they would be pretty comfortable too. Check those out. Pre-owned. I guess you gotta have a special taste for something like this. They probably look better on foot though, to be honest. They won't look all tight, and whoever laced them up, wearing them that tight, you wear your shoes that tight, it's hard to make them look cool. I'm not saying it's impossible, but you lace them shoes up tight, good luck with looking cool, but personal preference. I ain't judging nobody. We got a big old white Jordan box, engineered for flight. We got a Jordan 33, size 12. Never seen a 33 in hand. I don't even, ain't been going to no malls or nothing, so I ain't seen too much of anything in hand. These are pre-owned Jordan 33s. Probably a dope basketball shoe. I don't think it's something you want to step out in outside of the court, but again, I'm not here to judge nobody. Check these out. Jordan 33s. And these are a size 12 in men, 13 women. They look pretty clean. I bet on court they probably fantastic hoop shoes or something like that. I bet the tech is crazy. I don't know, I'm not a hooper. Size 12 on those. Again, guys, this was a $5.75 box, so I wasn't expecting nothing too crazy in here. And obviously, from what I've pulled so far, it's definitely reflecting the box, because I don't know what none of this stuff is. I haven't pulled a shoe yet where I knew what the nickname was. I don't. We got a lot of shoes though. We got 5 pair. We got 3 pair left. I'm gonna save these last. I got 3 pairs left. I know what the last 2 are. Again, another shoe that I am gonna probably be lost in. These are a Puma RSX, and I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that. The camera probably blasting it. I'm not even sure what that is. Space Pirate. Again, I don't know what these are. Some kind of crazy Puma. The size of these. These are a size 13 US. The materials feel good. I mean, I don't know. They might be something tight. It say Space Monster on the side. If that mean anything to any of y'all, I have no idea what I'm holding here. This box is completely got me lost, man. Completely got me lost. I will know once I edit the video, of course, but just unboxing this joint, I'm completely lost. I'm pretty sure I'll know the name of these. We got a 350 in a size 9. 350 in a size. I haven't got a pair of 350s in a while. I got a bunch of them sitting around the house. I need to post on the for sale page. But we got a pair of size 9, the creams. Obviously they're pre-owned. This is only a $5.75 box, but these not too bad. Could use a good wipe down. Check the other one. Make sure it ain't got no crazy stain on it. But the bottoms are yellow a little bit. A lot of bit need to be cleaned up. Size 9 on these creams. Don't know what they going for nowadays. I honestly don't. Like I said, I got some Yeezys here at the crib, and I haven't even took the time to post. I've just been buying. I need to start posting. I think after that little COVID shocker of Soul Supremacy being down, it just kind of put me into the mindset of just grab whatever you can, as much as you can, in case some kind of crazy shutdown or looting or something like that happens again, you be straight. Anyway, this is the last box. I already know what these are. These are a size 8.5. Just seeing the colorway, I know what these are. Probably the money shoe of the box. We got the classics. These would never ever die as being a classic Jordan. These are 6s, the Carmine 6s, size 8.5. More than likely, these will probably be sold instantly. I got a lot of people that wear 8.5, and a lot of people, everybody loves these. Well, I can't say everybody, but a lot of people love these. So, size 8.5 Carmines should be an easy move. $5.75 box. The Carmines and the Yeezys alone will cover probably more than half of the box. The rest of this stuff, I'm gonna do some research on to see what I got, because I am honestly lost. Happy to have these, happy to have the Yeezys, and I don't know, man, maybe those Nike trash shoes, those recyclable joints, are maybe worth something. I have no idea. With all of that being said, thank you guys for tuning in. More boxes will be coming. I might mess around and have a third video this week. We'll see. I do have more inventory coming in like crazy. Shout out to everybody who been messing with the Instagram page. If I post a pair of shoes on there and they sell, I instantly delete it. So if you go on the page and you only see 2 pair of shoes, 5 pair of shoes, whatever is on there, that's all that I have available at the time. As soon as I post them, I try to as soon as somebody buy them, I try to delete them so there's no confusion there. Whatever is on that page is available. That is a fact. So whatever's on there is available. Hit me up. If you see anything in this video, you can DM me, you can email me, and I will let you know if it's still available. Appreciate each and every one of y'all watching. Make sure you hit that sub button if you're new here and all of that cool stuff. I'm trying to think, is there anything else? Oh, make sure y'all go buy the book. I don't have any in hand. Appreciate all the love we've been getting on that book locally. Everybody who's bought it off Amazon, if you purchase it off Amazon, do me a favor and leave a review on there. I will be more than grateful for it. I think the book is only like 11 bucks on Amazon. Link for that will be down below. It's for my wife's book. I don't have one in hand to show you, but thank y'all for the support on that, especially people locally who bought one, that watched the videos, told me they got one or whatever. So thank y'all, man. I think that's it. Make sure you subscribe. I might mess around and have a 3rd video like I said. If I don't, check back with me next week and I should have more. I'm out. Peace.